All right, so you know how everybody was like, "Oh my God, no, I don't want to sell clones. Clones are selling their asses off, right?" So let's first go here. We're gonna go to wesupply.com, and then we're gonna go to shop. We're gonna go. Come on, yep, come on now. Thank you. And we're gonna go right here. Just to let y'all know, if you want to put a custom order in, you can always just type it into here. Let me move my thing. You can always type it into here. Hey, I need 30 meg safe charging or charger adapters. You can do that, right? And then I have somebody that's dedicated 24/7 to actually just answering this. All right, so just letting y'all know. But anyway, let's talk about clones real quick. See, I think what separates where I'm at now versus where I was is if you look on YouTube, right, you'll see AirPod replicas, AirPod replicas. You'll see like AirPod replicas have always been top, right? People have always wanted to make videos, and your boy has made a couple videos about it, and people have called cat. People have said that it was a lie. People have also made a lot of money selling replicas, right? And replicas at this time when I was selling them, they were very, 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 very profitable. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know what I mean? They were very profitable. They were making people money. But here's the thing: people were making money but couldn't keep their accounts up because eventually they would slip up and try to sell it like it was Apple, and you would have eBay actually go and catch them, right? And take down their account. So what I did was I started to sell clones. So I move with the market. I don't try to force things down people's throats. I don't try to ever put you guys in a bad position. If I see like, hey, this is a product that isn't helping people as entrepreneurs and maybe helping them with making money, but if you make $10,000 selling replicas but can't take them out, can't take the money out because eBay has the money on hold and they told you got to wait until 6 months. And then after that 6 months, your money disappears anyway because they return all of the money to the all the money to the people that actually brought it. But the people that brought it actually got their product and their money back. Why would I even allow you guys to be put in that situation? Now, if you want to get replicas, again, you can easily just sit there and go to wesply.com. And yeah, you can go ahead. It's going to be a box that pops up right here. You can go ahead. Let me move this again. And you can say replicas. Hey, I need 6 replicas. How much are the replicas? Ask questions about the replicas. They'll draw you up an invoice. So if you want replicas, you do it. You do what you want. But I am not here to promote replicas. Okay. I am here to promote a safer way for you to be able to resell. So what I want to first talk about is the Hustler Max clones. Okay. So with the Hustler Max clones, they are selling. Okay. And if you are somebody that is looking to start selling maxes, and the reason you want to sell them, let's say, is because you feel like they're a necessity to you, right? Like you already started selling replicas, you love that wave, that is something you're interested in, or if you're just a new person just trying to get your feet wet. So these max clones are going to help you make money on eBay faster, but they're going to they may take time, right? Like it may take a week. It may take a week for the first one to sell. Like I'm not here to sell dreams. I'm here to actually give reality, right? So at the end of the day, no matter if you're somebody that is starting out on an eBay account or you already have an eBay account, if you want to start making money, I would definitely say sell clones. Now, the reason I say that is because you have people this holiday season that are looking to make people happy on a budget. Okay, you guys heard me. They want to make people happy on a budget, right? And that's how it works. You feel me? Right now, we struggling. It's not a good look, right? We have a economy that is going up in shambles currently, right? So hold on, I'm just trying to pull up this eBay for you guys, because on this eBay, I actually have a few examples of some clones selling, right? Now, when I say a few, shout out to you. I'm gonna just say K, because I don't want to disclose your well, K. Yeah, I'm gonna just say K. Shout out to you because you're the second top earner when it comes to clones. Now, I'm about to show y'all with the clones that there is a way. I repeat, there is a way to make money. There is. There's a way to make money selling clones. These are all clones. Okay. These are all clones right here. Okay. These are clones. Now, this person just started with clones, right? But watch this. They sold about 6 clones. Hold on. But then we can go here. Okay. And we can go to selling. We can go here. And you see more clones, right? You see more clones that are being sold. Okay, more clones. Okay, clones are being sold. Now, why is that important for you to see, right? Because a lot of people have the misconception that clones are less valuable because they're clones. That's not true. That's not true. It's not true at all. You have to realize that clones are actually a good way for you to be able to list products without having to worry about them getting taken down. All right, now how do I list these clones? Like how are these clones being listed to be able to stay up? Let's check. Let's do a deep dive into them. And also we're going to do a deep dive into the Audio Pro. So as you guys see too, we have these clones that are being sold too. We have these ones that are being sold too. Okay? So as you see with the description, it says Max Space Gray Wireless over-the-air headsets. This is not the AirPod Maxes. We have that in bold text, because we want people to know these are not the Maxes. And we're honestly clearing ourselves from any type of misunderstandings, any customer saying, oh, well, I thought they were this. No, it's in clear, bold text that these are not the Maxes. Look on here, look right here. AirPod audio pods. This is not the AirPod Gen 2. You get what I'm saying? This is original packaging with no Apple logo. This is original packaging with no Apple logo. So for everybody looking and saying, hey, how do I list? How do I list? How do I sell replicas? Listen, right now, I think the biggest thing you should do is sell clones. Okay. I don't think you should sell the replicas. But if you are trying to sell the replicas, in a second, I'll talk about what I've realized with listing replicas. But with clones, that is how we're doing it, y'all. We are literally just letting them know it's not real. In the description, we're also, if you're looking at the details, the specifics, unbranded, Bluetooth, connect wireless. Everything is really, really simple, guys. And when it comes to the MP, so you can put anything here. Like I haven't seen anything where this is dictating the post getting taken down, but clones are selling really well as well. Okay, we haven't had any issues with these Gen 2 clones either. Now, $32. I don't even remember. Let's see where. So with the Hustler Maxes, you can get the Hustler Maxes in black, red, green, blue. I think I had a blue pair. I have a bunch of blue pairs, but I always tell you guys. So these are my personal pair. So again, this is like a little metal, fake metal. Like it's not anything cheap. This isn't flimsy. But yeah, blue and then gray. So I'll tell you the top seller is black. When in doubt, just sell black. You can get 6 and you can also get 12. All right. Our top seller is 6. Okay. Now, when we go back to headphones, you also get that option to where you can sell these Hustler Pod clones. And these clones here, they're pretty good. Okay. You can get 4, 6, or 12. Let's actually do this because I'm not sure. Okay. So for 4 of them, you get them for $60. So 60 divided that by 4, you get them $15 each. This person is selling it for 30 something dollars. Where is it at? $32. Okay. Now, mind you, I would recommend starting at like 50 or 40, and then going down in your listing price as you see a views decreasing or increasing. Like these views are increasing, so we're going to end up going to like 35. If you're interested to see what this person is doing or how they're getting this service where they're making money in their second week, literally go to hustlertaughtme.com and then go to hire our team. The heck, why is this taking so long? There we go. eBay automation. Okay. So we do have Mercari automation too, which we'll be talking about more, and we'll be talking about that more. But yeah, eBay automation. Okay. So you literally can enroll into eBay automation. And a lot of people, they want me to explain a lot. A lot of people do be wanting me to explain this. So if you get it one time, which is 1,400, that's going to make you the most money, obviously, right? And you get 6 months of the whole service, okay? Or until your budget runs out. Basic plan every single week, $250. That is what this current plan is on that I just showed you. The pro plan and the premium plan, this is where we're listing more so like drones. We're listing different gizmos. So like I would say gadgets where you still get the cases, but now you're getting like power cases, like battery cases. You're getting different type of higher grade products listed here as well. You're getting phones listed as well. So this is accessories, phones, drones. This is drones, power cases. I keep saying power battery cases, okay, and things like that. And this right here, you're getting cases, screen protectors, you're getting chargers, you're getting car mounts, you're getting different accessories like ring lights and stuff like that. Okay. So that's how that works. But anyway, regardless, if you want to list clones, I would say start listing them, and it's easy. Look at how we put up a post of somebody holding these, and then we put up the post of what comes in the box. Okay. And that's exactly what comes in the box, guys. Like I have the hold on. Ugh. So I have a pair of real replicas right here, and then I have a pair of clones right here. Okay. Wait. Right there. All right. So, and I'll show y'all that in a second. But yeah, like we still have replicas. Don't get it twisted. You feel me? Like that. Don't get it twisted. We still got reps, but we also have those clones. So, and the clones, let me show you. They come in this. Let me actually get y'all full screen real quick. Boom. So that's what it shows. It shows that, right? It shows that right here. Okay. Now I didn't take these pictures. I just took these. I literally didn't take these. I just took these off of eBay. So yeah, you can make an extra $20 to $15 per pod that you sell. So let's say that you invested, and I'm just giving my website because that's all I go by as an example. You don't have to buy from me. That's not what I'm trying to insinuate either. I just like to use numbers. So, prime example, if you were to get, I wouldn't recommend getting 4. I would recommend getting at least 6 because 4 wouldn't. I mean, yeah, it makes sense if you're starting with a lower budget. But if I can get these at $14.50, right? So $14.50. Let's say we sell them for $35. $14.50. That means our profit would be $2.50, right? But let's subtract $5 for like fees and shipping. So we're making $15.50 times that by the 6. We're making $93 in profit from selling the clones. Now that's where these come in clutch because we're about to have a holiday season come up, which obviously shows and means that people are going to be shopping. And that's why you need to get your merchandise now, because you want to get ahead of the curve. It makes more sense, right? It makes more sense. And it also allows you to be able to come out profitable without having to worry about, oh my God, they took my post down. No. You know what I mean? Or, oh my God, Brandon, how do I keep it up? You know what I mean? So that's the whole thing with the clone. So if you want to start making money on eBay weekly and you want to start really scaling, I'm telling you right now, stop focusing on trying to do things the halfway or the wrong way. You know, just do things the right way.